Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
Open and verify an interactive broker's account with ID and address verification. Complete the profile, select individual or retirement account, and accept agreements. Fund the account by ACH or wire and convert currency to USD if needed to avoid FX delays. Enable trading permissions for US equities and ETFs before placing orders, and set up two-factor authentication for security. Note any minimum funding requirements that apply to your account type and confirm settlement timing for deposits so you can trade when funds clear. Search tickers like SBY, VU, or IVV and compare expense ratios and assets to match your cost and tracking preferences. Decide between ETF shares, dollar-based fractional orders if you want precise dollar exposure, or futures exposure for leveraged or derivative access. Pick a ticker and check real-time quotes, bid-ask spread, and daily volume to ensure liquidity. Review the ETF prospectus for tracking error and dividend schedule so you understand total return characteristics before placing a trade. Choose market or limit order, enter shares or dollar amount, and set time in force to DAY or GTC based on your urgency. Monitor execution details in the trade log, use limit orders to control entry price, and consider tax implications and dividend schedules for long-term holdings. After purchase, rebalance periodically to maintain target allocation, set price, or news alerts, and consider automated recurring investments for DCA. Keep records for Form 1099 reporting and review performance.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.